You see an AI video model online. Looks cool at first, right? But then the movement is stiff. The audio doesn't match the lips.
Because I believe in you.
And your character literally changes, face halfway through the clip. That was me too, until Alibaba dropped Wan 2.6. And honestly, this isn't just an update, it is a completely different animal. Every expression, every gesture, every word your character speaks, perfectly synced automatically. I am your AI buddy. Let's break down what is new, how to use it, and the one feature that changes everything for creators. Most AI video tools give you a short clip. 5 seconds, maybe 10. One camera angle, no sound. And if your character moves too much, things start falling apart. Faces melt, hands glitch, lighting flickers. Wan 2.6 throws all of that out the window. First, your videos are now up to 15 seconds long. That might not sound like much, but it is enough for a full mini story. A beginning, a middle, and an end, all generated in one go. No stitching clips together, no editing hacks. One prompt, one complete scene. Second, and this is the big one, your characters now talk. Wan 2.6 generates audio and video together in a single step. Lips move naturally, voices sync perfectly, and there is even background sound and music baked right in.
My broccoli will magically turn into chicken nuggets.
No more recording audio separately and trying to line it up. The AI just does it. For talking head content, AI influencers, product demos, or educational videos, this is massive. But here is what most people are completely sleeping on. Wan 2.6 doesn't just shoot one flat angle anymore. It thinks like a filmmaker. You describe a scene, and the AI automatically breaks it into multiple shots. A wide angle, then a close-up, then an over-the-shoulder view, all within the same video. And your character stays consistent the entire time. Same face, same outfit, same lighting, no more random drift where your character suddenly looks like a different person 3 seconds in. This multi-shot thing is a game changer for shorts, reels, TikToks, any short-form content where you need that professional, edited feel without actually editing anything. Now, here's the newest trick. You can feed the AI a reference of someone, a short clip showing their face, their expressions, even their voice, and Wan 2.6 learns that person. Then it generates brand new scenes starring them, keeping their exact look and sound. You can even put two characters together in the same scene and they'll both stay consistent. It is like having a digital casting agency. Pick your actors, write your scene, and the AI handles the rest. But, and I always keep it real, this kind of power comes with real risk. Someone could misuse this to fake videos of real people, so stay ethical. Never use someone's likeness without permission. Watermark your content. Have fun, but be smart about it. Quick one, if you are into AI tools like this, hit subscribe. I break these down every week so you don't waste hours figuring them out yourself. Using Wan 2.6 is straightforward. Wan 2.6 is the biggest jump I've seen in AI video this year, but it is not flawless. Free usage is limited, high quality generations, cost credits, and occasionally the audio can sound slightly off. Start small, experiment, and scale up once you've got your workflow dialed. Link to try. It is in the description. What do you think? Game-changing or overhyped? Drop it below. And if you want me to put this head-to-head against Kling or Sora, comment, compare. That might be the next one. Until then, stay creative, stay ethical, and let the AI do the heavy lifting.